I work for John's Waterproofing. I'm a journeyman electrician, and today we are out here adding a sub panel in a shop to get some power out here, get some lights and some plugs and some tools out here working. We're gonna run a new wire from the main panel over and into the shop. I'd love for you to join us today. Into the back of the box, we're gonna sleeve it over our wire and get it ready to go. And then we'll mount our box to the wall and we'll drop some conduit into the trench and get that all going and get it up and mounted to the shed, and then we'll fish some wire through, get it hooked up into a new panel, and it should be good to go. Flipping perfect, dude.
It doesn't get much better than that.
No, it does not. Halfway through with our project here today. We've got our wire pushed through our conduit. We got it to the shed over here. We got our wire pushed all the way to the main panel. Step we're on now is gonna be making up the boxes, getting all of our connections done with some lugs, and then we'll be moving on to putting our panel up, and we'll get it all fired up for them.